We know that P is positive, and we're trying to figure out the value of P. So clue 1 says P divided by 4 is a prime number. And so what I did here was I listed the prime numbers. Well, not all of them, but 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. And it says P over 4 is a prime number. So I set P over 4 equal to 2. And that multiply both sides by 4 to clear your fractions, and that gives me P equal 8. And then I took the next prime number, and I set P over 4 equal to 3. Multiply both sides by 4 and got P equal to 12. Then I did, well, as you can see, I did one more. I set P over 4 equal to 5 and got P equal 20. But we're trying to figure out the value of P, and I just got 3 different values of P. So clue 1 does not work by itself. Clue 2, P is divisible by 3. Well, that's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. I stopped there. I've already gotten 1, 2, 3, 5 different values for P, so that doesn't work. So neither one of them worked independently. So now you put them together, and you've got this common factor of 12. So if you put them both together, the answer will be C. It works.